So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your store's name and Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is you can see home, orders, products, customers, discounts, analytics, online store, apps, as well as settings. You can see the option right here that says add store name. So from here I can click on this and it will take me to a page that will show you how to get there even if you don't have this prompt right here. So let's go to settings. Once the setting opens up, you can see here general, it says my store, and you can see the store defaults like markets, backup regions, order ID, order processing, as well as store assets and resources. Now from here, if you click on this pencil right there under store details, so get to this part of the settings, it's going to take you to this. It says these details could be publicly available. Do not use your personal information. So from here, you can put in the store phone and you can also change the store name. So if I were to name it a different name and I just need to click on save. And you can see here right now it's different. The logo is different as well. And this prompt should be gone or changed to this a different name. So that's how you can change it. You can also click on this. It's going to take you directly to that screen that we were just a few seconds ago. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.